Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. Here's a fun health fact to start your day. Did you know that your gut houses around 70% of your immune system? Yep, that means when your gut is unhappy, your whole body can feel it. If you're new here, hi. On this channel, we talk about health, wellness, and feeling your best, naturally. And today, we're diving into something super important but often overlooked: signs your gut might be unhealthy, and what you can actually do to fix it. Let's get into it. 1. You feel bloated often. Okay, let's be real, bloating happens to all of us. But if it's happening a lot, it might be a sign your gut bacteria are out of balance. 2. You're always tired or foggy. Your gut plays a big role in energy and mood. If you're tired even after sleeping or feel mentally foggy, your gut might need a little TLC. 3. You get sick frequently. Remember that fun fact earlier about the immune system? If you're constantly catching colds or infections, your gut might not be supporting your immunity properly. 4. You have skin issues. Acne, eczema, or random rashes. Sometimes that's your gut screaming for help from the inside out. Simple tips how to fix unhealthy gut. 1. Eat more fiber. Load up on fruits, veggies, whole grains. Fiber feeds the good bacteria. 2. Include fermented foods. Yogurt, kimchi, kefir, tempeh. These help add healthy bacteria to your gut. 3. Stay hydrated. Simple but powerful: your digestion needs water to run smoothly. 4. Limit sugar and processed foods. Too much sugar feeds the bad bacteria. Try to keep it balanced. 5. Manage stress. Your brain and gut are connected. Deep breaths, a bit of movement, or even journaling can calm your gut down. I hope this video helped you connect the dots between how you feel and what's going on inside your gut. Remember, small changes can make a big difference over time. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you don't miss more health tips like this. And if you've got questions or want to share your own gut healing journey, drop a comment below. I love hearing from you. Thanks so much for watching, and take good care of yourself. See you in the next video.